So in this video, we're going to try to explain why it is not a good idea to use a sequence of zeros as a product number or product code on a barcode. And the issue, in short, is duplication. Because when you are setting up items on your Clover inventory, or this will be true of any point of sale system out there, product code or an item, the number that identifies the item has to be unique. It cannot be repeated anywhere else in any other product code. It has to be unique. It's just that software has no real intelligence, and it does not have the ability to determine when it's given two product codes that are the same. Software today has no ability to determine which product code to use. It doesn't matter whether it's Clover or not Clover. It's just, how it is. The product codes must be unique. And so let me demonstrate what that means functionally. All right, so we go to the inventory, and when we search for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we need to have just one item come back as a search result. Just one. There can be no more than one item here, because here's an example. Some other item. Okay, so I'm gonna make this even like that. We're gonna make this price, like that, and I'm gonna make the product code to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Hit save. Okay, so now it is no longer unique because there are two items coming back as a search result when we put in this code. Okay, and it is bad. It cannot be done. It never is done. For example, any one of our items that are variably priced will have so for example, 5 zeros and a 1. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how all of them are different. So if I put 1, okay, again, this is going to be a problem now because some other item has the same sequence. So it's gonna come back as a problem because what you're doing is you're duplicating items. What I mean by duplicate is you're saying I only have one item. No, you don't have just one item because, in your video, I mean,
2 zeros, I can delete.
All these items.
Want to delete, all items have 0, I can delete.
All these items that you have in there are all of them. Okay, so if you get it to 1 like this.
Okay, now I only have 1 with 0. That's right?
It's not. No. It's not 1 with 0 because a bunch of them are coming back as a search result. One, I understand this is hard for you to accept and you really want to use this 0 number, but nobody ever uses a 0 number because it leads to the problems that you're having. The numbers should be unique. And if I just randomly get, here's one that I just helped a person the other day. Look, their number is 200537, right? So if I were to make this work, 200537. Okay, see how I have no items come back. So I can set this one up and it would be 200537, and no other 200537 can exist. Okay, so if I go back and just look for some other ones, here's another. No, that's a different app. Here's another one. 200-205. Like no matter, like I get 10 of these a day from people. Nobody ever uses 00. You want to solve your problem, stop using 0000. Put in some unique number that when you put in that number here, it's, for example, 200, I don't know, 284, right? So 284. So I have Buffalo New York steak, and I have nothing else come back as a search result, not one other item. That's what I mean by unique. Please understand, if you don't have a unique item number, this will not work for you.